Welcome back to Creating with Poet Designs AI Edition. In this video, I'm going to show you how I put together a bunch of coloring pages. How I did that. Um, I have this image. Let me show it to you really quick. I have this image with other ones, okay? And what I did, I went to the snipping tool. I went to the snipping tool and I snipped like here of it, like this part. I want images with this part, like the Afro unicorn ears and the horn. Okay, I did that. Okay, I snipped it like this, and I went into ChatGPT. Okay, and I pasted, I uploaded into ChatGPT. That's right here. And this image here is a old image that I had, like this cute image. It's an old image that I had. And together with let me see if I can find it. Together with old SVG that I had, but I don't think it makes so much such a difference. Let me see. Yeah, this right here, this SVG that I had. Let me find it. I'll find it for you really quick. Yeah, this SVG, you see it right here. Let me make it bigger for you to see. Yeah, this SVG right here. So all these three, I uploaded them in ChatGPT. Like the part of the horn, the piece of the unicorn, Afro unicorn horn, the little girl that I did, and the SVG file. And I told it, create me a little girl with unicorn ears on her head and horn. You know what I mean? Okay. So it created for me a mixture of what I uploaded. And then I got this. You see here? This same little girl. You see the unicorn head. And yeah, that's what I got. Okay. I'm working on coloring pages. But you see here is gray. I don't want it to be gray. So I ask it another page. Now this should be no, be now, not no. Now create her with one ponytail, and it created this one for me. Okay, so I had this, and now she's here with one ponytail, but I'm still not satisfied because you see how here is. I don't want it. I would want it to be curl like Afro puff here. Okay, and then I went, and then you can click on here. When you click on here, you can describe what you want to be added, removed, or replaced. And I click on there, and it's still in the works. It didn't come out. Okay, let's go to the next one. It's still in the works. I think I got this here. I got this here. Let's continue. And then I ask, make every part white with black outline for coloring pages. So this one here, I wanted every part to be white, and then it should have a black outline to give me coloring pages. That's how I worked away the gray. And I got this here. You see every part is white, and still it came out different that I wanted. I wanted Afro puffs. So I said, make her hair Afro puffs. She is smiling, closed eyes, and hand over her mouth, and she has jeans pants on. Okay, that I asked from this one, and then I got her here. You see, she came back with the Afro puffs. She has her eyes closed. She has her hand over her mouth, and she has jeans pants on. Okay, and there she is. And then I clicked on her, and here I added what I wanted. When you look here, you will see. Let's go back. You will see the arrow. Arrow, that means I added this one, and here it is. I added this one, I clicked on here on this one, okay, and I asked, let her ride a bike. She's riding a bike, okay. So I want this same girl riding a bike. And look what I got. I got her with the same emotions, but she's riding a bike. Actually, I didn't want that. I wanted her with open eyes to ride a bike. I didn't want that. But now I see I have her like this. Let's go down. And then I went on Google and I copied this and I say she's doing this same pose like this picture. And because it's under this one, okay, I got her like this, like with her hand and her face on the bike, and that is wrong. Look at this, it didn't come out right. So now I said, so now what I did, I said she's dancing ballet, and she's dancing ballet in the same pose with her hand in her face, on her face, with her eyes closed, dancing ballet, like here. You see the mistake I made. So what did I do? I went back. Let me see here. Let's see this. I went back to, okay, I went back to here, to this one here, to this one here, and I edit the picture again. Okay, yeah, I edit the picture. She's taking the same pose, this same pose laying on her tummy. Okay, this one here. Same pose with her hand, but she's laying on her tummy. Okay, and then I have her here. You see that? She's laying on her tummy. Her hair changed a little bit, but she's still cute. And now she's right now back with her eyes closed. A puppy. Okay, and then I went back to the bike one. You see that this here is the bike one. I went up here to the bike one. This one here. And I click on it and I edit it here. And I wrote in there, I wrote, she's riding the bike. Come back here. She's riding the bike. She's riding the bike with her eyes open. Her puppy dog is chasing after her happily. So I went to the bike one. Look, the bike one, you can see it here. I went back to it and I edited it and I got here. So you see, she's riding the bike with her hands on her mouth, her eyes are open, and her puppy is with her. Okay? So I edited that one. And now I went back to the ballet one where she had her eyes closed with her hand in her on her face. This one, I went back here and I clicked on it and I edit the prompt here. The prompt that I added was, let me go see it. She is doing a plie. Let me see. Yeah. She is doing a plie with her eyes open. Okay. And then I have her like this. You see that? Okay. Now I went to this one and said, she is dressed in ballet, leotard with her unicorn, Afro puff unicorn, surrounded by stars and hearts. I have not got the unicorn. I don't know why. I haven't got it. I need to put her again. So I went back to the first one. You know the first one that I had where she was dark. I went back to this first one and I thought I'm gonna edit it again. This one. And I click on this one and I edit it. I think I asked make her white. Make her all white with afro puffs with black outline. Let me show you what I did. So I went back to edit it. We are here. Look, she's here. Make everything white and black outline. She has one afro puff. I still didn't get what I want, but I got her to be turned white. See, everything is turned white. And then I asked, makes this image white with black outline. Our old one I had up here. You see her here, but the old one is here. This one. So when you do these things, like when you put everything together, what you want, and you start asking for coloring pages, when you get this, you need to tell the system, like, edit it. Like here, let me show you a last one I'm gonna do. I'm gonna say um, make her all white. Sorry, my W is not here. Make her all white with um, make her all white with black outlines. Black outline, so the gray will be gone. Make her all white with black outline. Um, dressed in shorts, sneakers, and carry a balloon with stars and hearts all over the image. Okay, so I'm going to edit this again. So I click on the first one. I'm going to edit it like this. Okay, and I'm gonna send it, you see, and it goes all the way down, and it will give me another image right here. You see the prompt here, and let's go up, and you see here, that's is the old one I'm editing, the first one up there I'm editing, and I'm going to get a design here. So she will come out with, she will be all white with black outline, so I won't have gray scale. She will be dressed in shorts, sneakers, and carry a balloon. And then there will be tiny stars all over the image, stars and hearts over the image. That's what I asked. But here I'm talking about the first image. I'm going to edit it again. So if you, when you design, so here you have her. You see, we got exactly what we wanted. Let me go to the one that I edited. I went straight to the first one I had. You see this one here, and I clicked on here and I edited. I asked for her with that she should come out all white. When I say white, it's not race, it's just white as paper white, with afro puffs, in shorts and in sneakers, and holding a balloon in her hand, and also hearts and stars all over the image. Okay, let me get out of here, and then I will scroll all the way down to see my result. And look, I got it. I got the result, the very result I wanted. She came out with her afro puffs like before. She's all white, her sneakers, her shorts, and here's the balloon in her hand, and all the um other things around the image. Okay, you see here the arrow comes here because I have edited this one. Okay, so when you design coloring pages, when you put something together and you love what you have, always go back to the root design. Like the root design is this one. So after you turn this in all white, okay, you can start adding activities to it. Like after I got this one, I was trying to get one with this afro. It didn't come out, it didn't, and then I got this. Okay, and then I got this one. Let me see all the other ones, but let me show you. But this one is the root one. This one is the root one. I asked for to make it all white, and then I started adding activities to it, and that's how we got this here. So after you get one that you really like, it's white with black outline, like I said, you can start adding activities to it. Always go back to it and add activities to it, like change it up. Like this one here, I can still work on this one and change it. Let's see what I can let her do. You see, I click on the image and then it says here, describe what you want to add, remove, or replace. Let's say we want to, uh, let me come up with something. Make her, let's say play basketball. Let's see, play basketball in basketball jersey. Let me see, basketball jersey. Make her jump. Let's see, jump and play basketball. Let's see, basketball jersey. Okay, so her clothing will change. Okay, here she is. Here she is. You see, I got everything. You see that? So, like I said, add your parts, like how I added the parts. I think these two work. They work without this one, I don't know. But I added my parts, what I wanted, and then I got a base, like clean one that I really wanted, and I started changing that one up, like this one here. And then I started changing her up and let her do different activities, okay? And then before you know, you have a whole coloring book. So this is what I did. So I got these images. Um, if you want to see how I put the coloring book together with all these for Amazon KDP, join my school community. I will leave the link below. I hope this helps you. Thank you. Bye.